Hi dear friends, welcome to the channel AKY Biotech. So today here again we are with the new video for you. As your ICMR Life Sciences examination is fast approaching, so today we are going to start the MCQ series for the ICMR Life Sciences examination. So the main part from which the questions have been asked previously in this examination, it covers the immunology part and the medical microbiology part, mainly the medical microbiology part. So today we'll discuss the questions related to this, and let's start with the video. Here comes the questions. The cytokine that downregulates T cell mediated immune responses. So you have to pick up the correct option out of this. You have the four options. The cytokine that regulates T cell mediated immune responses. The correct answer to this is B part, that is the TGF beta. This is the transforming growth factor beta. Next, number 2, the antibody present in the breast milk is. So the antibody which is present in the breast milk, that is the IgA. Moving down to the next question, that is number 3. Toxin conjugated antibody molecules are known as. So the toxin, when it is conjugated with the antibody molecules, this is known as the immunotoxin. This one is the correct option. Number 4, which of the following receptors is not a signaling receptor? So you have to pick up one which is not a signaling receptor. That is cytokine receptor. This is a signaling receptor. Chemokine, again a signaling receptor, and T cell receptor. We also know that this is a signaling receptor. So the D part, this is not a signaling receptor. That is the mannose receptor. Question number 5. A patient of Graves' disease, it produces antibody against. So it produces the anti-Graves' disease. We know that is it produces the antibody against the thyroid stimulating hormone. This is the correct option. Number 6. Survival of mice exhibiting autoimmune lupus-like system. So there is a survival of the mice and it is exhibiting autoimmune lupus-like symptom may be prolonged by treatment with monoclonal antibody specific for. So this monoclonal antibody, if it is specific for, that is the correct answer to this is CD4. So this will cause the survival of the mouse exhibiting autoimmune lupus-like symptom. May be prolonged. In this case it will be prolonged. Number 7. Cytotoxic T cells generally recognize antigen in association with. So cytotoxic T cells, they recognize the antigen in association with. The correct answer to this is class 1 MHC determinants. This one is the correct one. Number 8. Under which circumstances T cell develops energy? So the correct option to this is when the number of TCR on the T cell receptor is low, no. When CD4, CD8 molecules present on T cell surfaces do not recognize self MHC2 and MHC1 molecules. Then when the MHC2 molecules present on antigen presenting cells bind to the peptides with less avidity. Yes, D part is the correct one. That is when co-stimulatory molecules present on the antigen presenting cells fail to interact with the T cells. So under these circumstances the T cells develops energy. Number 9. Which one of the following statements is most appropriate for ability of an antigen for the induction of Th1 or Th2 response? So the correct option, you have the 4 options over here. The nature of the naive T cell it encounters, the nature of epitopes present in it, the cytokine milieu at the time of activation of T cells. This is the correct one. Coming up with the last question, that is allotypic determinants are. So what are the allotypic determinants? Constant region determinants that distinguishes each Ig class and subclass within a species. No. Generated by the conformation of antigen specific VH and VL, that is variable heavy chain and the variable light chain sequences. No. Not immunogenic in individuals when do not have that allotype. So D part is the correct one, that is the amino acid differences encoded by different alleles for the same heavy or light chain locus.